Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your environment and loading the Delta object so you can act immediately. Open your console or REPL and print the Delta to inspect its top-level structure. This shows where keys live. Once done, note common container names like ops, attributes, insert, and retain so you know which branch to search. Make sure to work on a copy when experimenting to avoid mutating production state. This protects your data while you probe keys and types. You now locate and retrieve the actual key by drilling into the correct branch. If the key is top-level, use bracket or dot access. If inside ops, iterate and inspect each op for insert or attributes. Once you find the object containing the key, use optional chaining or a safe getter to return the value without throwing. Make sure to coerce types when needed. For example, convert numeric strings to numbers and normalize whitespace so downstream code receives a predictable. You finish by validating the key and integrating it into your workflow. Once retrieved, run type and sanity checks, then either return the value or substitute a default when missing. Make sure to log the access path and sample entries so you can reproduce issues later. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to log the exact path and a small sample of the delta. That makes schema mismatches obvious and speeds debugging without exposing large volumes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.